That sounds delicious. I can certainly provide you with a recipe for a moist, easy-to-follow chocolate cake with a decadent chocolate buttercream frosting. This style often uses hot liquid, like coffee or water, to bring out a deeper chocolate flavor and ensure a moist crumb. Here is a simplified, easy-to-follow guide, drawing inspiration from popular recipes. Easy moist chocolate cake with chocolate buttercream. This recipe makes a 2-layer, 8 or 9-inch cake. Ingredients. For the chocolate cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3 or 4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, Dutch processor natural, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup whole milk or buttermilk for extra moisture, 2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons, vanilla extract, 1 cup hot coffee or boiling water. For the chocolate buttercream icing: 1 cup, 2 sticks. Unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. 3 cups powdered sugar, sifted 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, sifted 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 to 5 tablespoons whole milk or heavy cream. Instructions. Part 1. Make the cake. Prep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, 175 Celsius. Grease and flour 2 8 or 9-inch round cake pans. Line the bottom of each pan with parchment paper circles. Combine dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Add wet ingredients, except coffee. Add the milk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract to the dry mixture. Beat with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 minutes, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed until well combined. Add hot liquid. Reduce the mixer speed to low. Carefully pour in the hot coffee or boiling water. Mix until just combined. The batter will be very thin. Don't worry, this is normal and contributes to the moistness. Bake. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 prepared cake pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool. Let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then, turn them out onto a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Part 2. Make the chocolate buttercream icing. Important: ensure your butter is truly softened, room temperature, for a smooth frosting. Cream the butter. In a large bowl or a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, beat the softened butter on medium speed until smooth and creamy, about 2 minutes. Add cocoa and flavoring. Turn the speed to low. Add the sifted cocoa powder, salt, and vanilla extract. Mix until incorporated. Add sugar and milk. Gradually add the sifted powdered sugar, alternating with small amounts of the milk or cream, starting with about 3 tablespoons. Whip. Once all the sugar and liquid are added, increase the mixer speed to medium-high and beat for 2 to 3 minutes until the frosting is light, fluffy, and spreadable. Add the remaining milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, if the frosting seems too stiff. Part 3. Assemble the cake level. Optional. If your cake layers have a dome on top, you can use a serrated knife to carefully slice off the dome to make a flat top. Frost. Place 1 cooled cake layer on your serving plate or cake stand. Spread about 1/3 to 1/2 of the chocolate buttercream evenly over the top. Stack. Carefully place the second cake layer on top. Finish. Use the remaining buttercream to frost the top and sides of the cake. Decorate as desired. Enjoy your homemade delicious chocolate cake.